For today's tutorial, I will be going over on how to create a set. So if you go up to your View tab, hover over to your Workspace panel, and select the Windows drop-down, and activate your Sets window. In your selection tree, go ahead and select the items that you want to be created under a set. For example, I can go ahead and select certain files or certain names that I want under one set. Right-click in your Sets window and save selection. Go ahead and name your sets. A blue square next to your set selection should indicate that it's active. If it's white, that indicates that there are no elements underneath that set selection. When you select your sets, it should highlight them in blue in your selection tree. Thank you for watching BIM at Bernards. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.